So what this gentleman does actually is sorting out printed circuit boards. This is like the brain of the electronics. And printed circuit boards contain all our electronic items, including chips, including capacitors, all these well-known small tiny items on these green boards. So in these we have all the metals which are required to make them work. Palladium, iridium, ruthenium, etc., etc. Mostly are not known and not heard so far. How do we get these metals back into our loop if we want to have a loop society? So the question is, how can these materials return their metals back in our industrial ecology? And this is not possible with primitive methods. And if you look at our planet at the moment, we have only about, this is maybe the right thing to show, yeah? So this is one of these green boards. These are contacts. What we see shiny here is actually gold. It looks like gold and it is gold. It's gold plated. And then on the other side we have the chips. These chips are soldered to these gold plates, and within the chip, within this black housing, we have little silicon chips, and they contain gallium and other metals. To get these things, these metals out of this environment here, we need huge machines. They are really, really big, and they are, we call these smelters or refineries. And on this planet we have about 5 of them. So what we have to make sure is that this material here in China or another place, we need to get it back to one of these factories. And this is a major logistic task. So we need completely new business models to make it possible that the poorest of the poor and the big giants of the precious metal markets or the special metal markets can cooperate. And at the moment, we are working on these issues.